everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup released by Colorfix Stix. A multi-use pro pigment stick with a refreshing cooling sensation. Featuring our magnetic mix and match freedom system. Duo number 1 Mystic Taupe Metallic. Taupe Metallic with warm silvery shimmer Interstellar foil, holographic foil with shifts of pink, silver and gold sparkle. Duo number 2 Orion Nebula Metallic. Burgundy Metallic with taupe shimmer Twilight Gleam foil, copper rose foil with shifts of pink and gold sparklia. Duo number 3 Solar Flare Metallic. Sunset Bronze Metallic with gold shimmer Lunar Veil foil, antique bronze foil with champagne sparkle. Duo number 4 Apollo Metallic. Dark Chocolate Metallic with golden shimmer ERTMIS foil, gold foil with lustrous gold sparkle. Duo number 5 Cassiopeia Metallic Rose Gold Metallic with warm honey shimmer Austral foil light champagne foil with gold and pink sparkle. Duo number 6 Celeste Metallic. Golden Metallic Taupe with rich tawny shimmer Nova foil, holographic blushed gold with shifts of silver and gold sparkle. Featuring magnetic, customizable packaging, these innovative pigment sticks offer an effortless glide-on application with a refreshing cooling sensation to awaken eyes. Duo number 7 Magic Eye Metallic. Birth Bronze Metallic with golden sands glimmer Aurora Radiance foil, holographic rustic metal foil with shifts of pink and gold sparkle. Duo number 8 Draco Metallic. Smoky Steel Metallic with gunmetal shimmer Meteorite foil, holographic opal foil with indigo and lilac sparkle. Duo number 9 Cosmic Veil Metallic. Midnight Blue Metallic with indigo and baby blue shimmer Starling foil smoky lilac with opal sparkle. Duo number 10 Shadow Eclipse Metallic. Dark Olive Metallic with taupe shimmer Galaxy Crush foil sage green foil with champagne sparkle. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon also for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.